Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com. I'm here with my man Walter with the STG Kick-Ass Helmet Graphic of the Week. Okay, so this time I dug deep, man. I went way back into my personal helmet collection and brought out what could be the most kick-ass helmet ever. Those are strong words. Those are bold words. And I know you're probably thinking, that's probably a Valentino Rossi graphic or something in here, right? No, my friend. It is even better than that. This guy right here, one of the greatest American racers ever, recently retired. Multiple notice I'm still going to keep talking. I'm not going to take it out of the bag yet. Multiple championships to his name. 2003 AMA Superstock. 2006, 2007 AMA Formula Extreme on Arian Honda 600s. 2010, 11, 12, and 14 AMA Superbike champion. You counted that right. That is 4 times AMA Superbike champion. The helmet I'm going to show you right now is truly a bad motherfucker. This is the Arai Josh Hayes Jolly Roger. Look at that. Oh my God, it's even autographed from my personal stash. Steve's going to show you a little video that we did with Josh way back in 2008 when this helmet was released. He came out, we did a little raffle. We gave away one that was signed, and you bet your ass I kept one for myself. This will always remain in my personal collection. I'm going to close this up with a really cool story about how awesome this guy is. Not only is he a great champion, but back around that 2011-2012 period, we had a guy we were sponsored for some AMA Super Sport stuff. Jeff Roble, great guy, was racing his ass off on R6s. He was racing at Mid-Ohio, and he had a crash. He had a crash real close to pit out, and he was pushing his own bike back in, up pit out. Josh Hayes, Superbike champion, reigning Superbike champion at that point, was in the general vicinity, ran out there, and helped Roble push his bike back. How many times do you think you'll see a Superbike champion helping a privateer push his crashed motorcycle? Hi, this is Brian Van and Josh Hayes here from Sportbike Track Here, SportbikeTrackHere.com. We've done a couple of videos with Josh. We've had a great visit with him. Looking forward to a nice lunch here when we're done. The last one, what I want to talk about is what I think is the absolute coolest replica helmet that I've ever seen. You've been in this game for a long time, okay? Your popularity level right now, especially with those of us that participate in this sport, is way up there. I think you're the most popular guy in the AMA paddock, especially for those of us that love the sport and love racing, because you've come up the hard way. You've worked really, really hard. You've made a lot of sacrifice, and you are sitting on 3, count them, baby, 3 championships now in the AMA. That's big time, and I think we're going to see a lot more from this guy, actually. He's not even close to done yet. Nevertheless, what I want to talk about is 3 AMA championships. I'm sure there's a bunch of club level stuff. You probably got trophies coming right out the, you know what I mean? You got a replica helmet, dude. How does this stack up compared to the rest?
I'm pretty pumped about this. I think that the helmet is an awesome helmet. I'm proud to wear it, and I think it's awesome that Arai has stepped up and helped me out. I think that you watch a lot of pro racers on TV. You see their helmets out there. The fans get to buy them, kind of follow their racer, and makes you feel like you've made it. I now have my own production helmet out there, so I'm pretty excited about that. Hopefully people are going to buy the helmet, and people are going to follow me with the racing, and it's been really good for me. My fan base has definitely grown in the last few years with some of the success that's come along, but I have some old fans that have been around for a long time, and I'm excited they're going to be able to be a part of it by riding around in one of these helmets also.